Hello everyone, today I will show you how to read Facebook message without being seen. So look at, now I'm taking to phone. So I'm sending a message this phone to this phone. So look at, I'm sending a message this phone to another phone. So now I'll open. So you need to first click on to three line to setting icon and scroll down privacy and safety. Okay, and click on this option. You need to first disable this option. Okay, when I'm disable this, and now check this message. Okay, now I'm check this message, but showing here to this message only delivered, not seen. So that's how we can easily read message without being seen.